Good afternoon to the people of Kosak. Good afternoon to the people of Ghana. Thank you for honoring our invitation. We have called you to also brief our concern, the Sabungari youth. First of all, we want to begin from the genesis of this whole conflict, from September till December now that it has been so serious. One, before everything, it started in September when there's a CIDA account called Bawku Links, and then Moshinaba started posting people's pictures and giving threats. I was one of those. They posted the pictures, making allegations concerning the conflict in Bawku. Now it has been so serious. In December 27, right, people were killed. There were a lot of gunshots and properties were damaged. Now we're here to also give our concern. We've seen people talk about peace, and people have been preaching about peace from the Bawku Peace Council, from the National Peace Council, and from different stakeholders. But what we have to tell this afternoon is that why was the conflict generated? Why did it start? A certain group of people said they are fighting for chieftaincy, that they are the real owners of Bawku, and then they wanted to fight. Instead of going to the law court to seek for justice, they decided to come up with arms and guns to give threats and started fighting. They started those threats in September, but we wanted peace, because if something is for you, you don't need to kill somebody to have it. So they started giving the threats. We were preaching for peace because we don't want Bawku to be destroyed. One, now currently businesses are not ongoing. The movement has been limited. People are dead. People are scared to go around their daily activities. Now we are calling to tell the whole of Ghana that we are peace-loving citizens. We Sabungari youth that have spoiled our names since time immemorial, that we are those who want the fight. But what we want to tell the people of Ghana and the people of Kosak is that we are not those who want the fight, because we have never started fight. But the message we are trying to give out to the people of Kosak in Ghana as a whole is that they cannot always decide when there should be peace and when there should be war. They started this war. They started this conflict, they started this war, so they are not those to decide when there should be peace. Yesterday they made a press conference saying we have been blocking the road from Sabungari to Pulmakum, from highways to Bolga. No one said nobody should pass. If you want, everybody is paying tax, as they said, you can use the road. If they think there is peace, why are the military escorting people to Sankasi? Why are the military escorting people to go to have peace council meeting at the assembly if there is peace? And to the MC, we have seen that he has been doing a very good job. But what we want to tell him is that per the laws of Ghana, there are restrictions that nobody can cross a border. Currently, the borders of Ghana have been closed. But we have been seeing retail activities. He's using the military to escort people to go to Sankasi to market and come back. Okay, we want to also plead to him, if he can also give us military to always escort us to Bawku town and escort our mothers to go in to the town. We want to use the general market. That's what they think. We are not coming to the market because we don't trust each other. So till there's trust, we will come. And if they trust us too, they can also come to our market, because we also have a very nice market. There's one as highways and there's one as Misiga. So what I want to tell to my neighbors, the Mamprujus of Bawku, they have been trying recently to make everything look like we are fighting the whole of Mamprugu. We don't have fight with anybody from Nalerugu. We don't have fight with anybody from Gambang. Just yesterday, you have been preaching people past week that they should come to the market. Just yesterday, they killed someone around Kolore. A bit more man. He's not the Kusasi, he's not part of the fight. Now you want to say you are fighting the whole of Kosak, then it's time. We are not saying we are fighting with everybody in the Bawku township, but those saying they want chieftaincy, they should fight for it. And what I have to add is that anytime they want to use the road, they can come and use it. We are not blocking anybody.
Tiba asan amadu wahidu on na kemla tu ngatla beba pia on abano disela nkaraba banor ku lana asalen ka fo womla alamen ka te babi ayuma ganiu on mi lebreni ko sale te kelsum on mi karamshim
yela bere ribe manka de man se to sa mtir ka tamu sa jila to sa ane bana bo lafe so ka pe ani kane mbo to ko yirego ni sa ka pe ani kane mbo zaba ten ya ta afa ten ko bo ten ga samu ko sai dai ten ga mala so kai so ten ka bo ten ga samu sida yela singa ka jina da pawar sai wata ta wana ka to wuma pian nan ba bale ga lepe lepe ye man buri so bo ba mala ba ko man buri so bo ba mala ba ko ra ko kan ka tana mimi ye ba malele kazina ka balen duwe lempiat ko piat de